Does your Android phone feel sluggish and slow? Does it take forever to load apps or switch between them? Don't worry, today I'm going to talk about some simple tricks that can boost the performance of your Android phone. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Alright, let's dive into our first trick, clearing the app cache. Over time, apps store temporary data that can actually slow things down. Clearing this out can make a noticeable difference. Go to your phone settings, then find Apps or Applications. Tap on the app that is giving you problems, then tap on Storage, and finally, Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data within the app, just the temporary files. Go ahead and do this for your most used apps. Next, we'll tackle those background apps. Many apps continue to run in the background even when you're not using them. This can drain your battery and slow down your phone. Go back to your settings, then Apps. Look for apps you don't use very often. Tap on them and then tap Force Stop. This will temporarily close the app. For some apps, you might also find a battery option where you can restrict background activity. Be cautious with system apps, but definitely consider this for games or utilities you don't open. Widgets can be super handy, but too many active widgets on your home screen can consume resources. Take a look at your home screen. Do you have a lot of widgets that are constantly updating? Consider removing the ones you don't use. Simply tap and hold the widget and then drag it to the remove or trash icon. It might seem obvious, but keeping your phone up to date is crucial for performance. Updates often include optimizations that can make your phone run smoother. Go to Settings, then look for System, Software Update, or About Phone. Tap on it and check if there are any updates available. If there are, make sure to download and install them when you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Don't forget to update your apps in the Play Store as well. If you click on your account image in the top right, you can select Manage Apps and Devices. Make sure all your apps are updated regularly. Live wallpapers look cool, but they constantly use processing power. This can contribute to a slower phone, especially on older devices. If you're using an animated wallpaper, consider switching to a static image. Go to your phone's wallpaper settings. Usually a long press on the home screen will bring up the option for wallpaper settings. Or you can go to Settings, Display, Wallpaper, and choose a still image. So there you have it, several simple tricks to instantly speed up your Android phone. Give these a try and let me know in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out this other one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.